Al-Lahan, mistakes in recitation. Al-Lahan mean error or a mistake that is made when reciting the Quran. It is divided into two groups: obvious mistakes and hidden mistakes. Obvious mistakes. It is changing a letter or a sign to another letter or sign, whether this change results in changing the meaning or not. Adding or missing a letter or a sign. It is not permissible for the reader to intentionally make these mistakes. Examples: changing a letter to another letter. For example, if someone read qalbun, which is with the heavy qaf, with the and read it with the light qaf, kalbun, it changed the meaning. So qalbun with the heavy qaf means heart, and the kalbun with the light qaf mean dog. Second one example is changing a sign to another. For example, if someone changed the haraka of al jinnatu, which is jim is with the kasra, and they read it with al jannatu, jim with the fatha, it is haram and obvious mistake. And similarly, if someone read an'amta to an'amta, here noon is silent and they are creating the fatha on noon, which is wrong and haram mistake. Third one is prolonging a haraka to produce a letter of mad. If someone prolong the haraka, it will create the letter of mad. For example, in if kuntum, if someone say kuntum, it is creating waw madda there. Shortening the letter of mad so it become one haraka. For example, instead of saying a'udhu, if someone say a'udhu, so they are missing a letter from there. So the fifth example and the last example is missing the shadda. So instead of saying iyaka, if someone say iyaka, they are missing a letter there, because shadda means there are two letters there. The second type hidden mistakes. They are mistakes that are made in the application of the Tajweed rules, such as missing the gunna or failure to merge two letters that should be merged due to certain Tajweed rules. So these mistakes are not haram mistakes, but one should avoid making these mistakes. So there are also another detail about the types of these mistakes as well, which is inshallah we will cover in coming videos. So please do like and share and follow the page. Inshallah, see you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.